This video is to show you how to clean the TurboChef Fire oven. Turning this oven off takes quite a bit of time to cool. It could take upwards of 2 hours or more. So once it's cool, you're going to want to begin by taking these two thumb screws, one on either side. This one you'll loosen by screwing it towards you, the other one away from you. So the right hand side is counterclockwise and counterclockwise on the left hand side. I'm going to pull this out using both hands, being careful not to drop it. This oven, because it operates at such high temperatures, typically doesn't have a whole lot of deposits in the cavity itself and requires very little to clean. Essentially, just you can sweep a lot of this out and you can see the debris coming out. If there is any baked on particles, at this point you would take a wet cloth and some TurboChef oven cleaner and place it on the cloth, wipe down the surfaces, and allow it to rest for about 5 minutes to loosen some of the food particles. We're also going to continue on the inside here. And on the surfaces that you can actually reach easily, and some on the glass. We're going to let that rest for about 5 minutes, come back and rinse. Now that the oven's been on and these chemicals have penetrated about 5 minutes, I'm going to take a wet towel and just wipe off some of the chemicals on all the surfaces that were covered earlier. And you can see all the food particles are coming off relatively easily. You may have to take a couple passes at it. Make sure you get in all the grooves. And that's it. The next step is to put the bottom plate back in position and make sure the logo is facing towards you. Give it a little push, and you'll see the screw holes lined up. And now they screw nice and easily. These are going to be turning them clockwise until they're snug. Don't over tighten. To finish cleaning, take a new clean towel and with just some standard ordinary window cleaner, saturate the towel and go over the exterior surfaces. Get any fingerprints, the outside of the glass. Give it a nice, beautiful, clean appearance. And we're finished.